Okay, this video is to help with homework number 9, and it has to do with absolute value. It is not something that's covered in the regular lesson. The reason is just a review question from Algebra 1. Right, so we're going to mix and review on every assignment, so that's why this one is kind of new or different than what we did on the lesson. At any rate, it has these fence posts, which represent absolute value. So just a quick review of absolute value. Absolute value, sorry. Is it's basically the distance from 0. So if I do the absolute value of -5, it's really saying on a number line, if you are -5 away from 0, how far is that? Okay, and the answer to that is 5. Right? Similarly, if I do the absolute value of regular 5, that's saying, hey, if I had a number line, here's 0, how far away is 5? And the answer is that is 5 units away. Okay, so in this case, the x is inside of the absolute value symbol. So how I usually think of this is I just think of, okay, I've got the absolute value of something, and that has to be equal to 11. So I kind of think what numbers could be right here and have it come out to be 11. Right? So if I do this visually, if we think of a number line, this is saying what numbers have a distance from 0 that's equal to 11. Okay, so if I think about going each direction, 11 up or 11 down from 0, I would be -11 or +11. Okay, so basically right here, to be a true statement, could either be -11 or +11. Right? If we had either one of those numbers there, it would be equal to 11. Okay, so this question then is we have this statement and we want absolute value of that to be 11, meaning it could be either 11 or -11. So we split, right? We split this statement into 3x plus 9 could be 11, or 3x plus 9 could be -11. So the short version is you take whatever inside the absolute value and set it to both positive and negative, whatever number is over here. All right, and now to solve it, we just solve these. So -9 from both sides, divide by 3. Okay, so one possible answer is just 2 divided by 3, 2/3. And you can type your answer in as a fraction, that's fine. -9 on this one to give -20, and then divide by 3, so -20 over 3. And that gives you your two answers for x. All right, that's it. It's a review. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if it doesn't. Thanks for watching.